To install the update, you can go to Microsoft Update Catalog website. The link is provided in the video description. Open this link in a browser. It will take you to Microsoft website. You can write down the name of the update, that is KB5077744, and then click on search. Now over here, first of all, check your Windows version. So type in WINVER in Windows search box and then click on WinVer run command. Check your version. In my case it's version 25H2. So check your version and then check the system type. Open Windows settings, go to system and then scroll down, go to about option. Over here in my case it's 64-bit operating system, x64 based processor. So for me it's Windows 11 version 25H2 x64 base system. If you have Windows 11 version 24H2 Windows 11 version 24H2 x64, then this is the right one for you. For me this is the right one. And then click on download over here, and over here you will see KB5077744. Click on it and let the download complete. Once the download is complete, you can click on this file and you can install this update manually. And once that is done, restart your computer, and after the system restart you can check. So that should help you to install this update successfully. So that'll be all. Thank you so much for your time. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel.